The 70mai A810 Dual Cam Dashcam boasts a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, ensuring superior 4K video quality with excellent color accuracy and stability, even in challenging lighting conditions. This dashcam features updated HDR dual-channel recording, allowing you to capture high-definition footage from both the front and rear cameras, making it invaluable for documenting incidents. With its night owl vision, the A810 excels in nighttime recording, providing clear and detailed footage regardless of the time of day, thanks to its dual HDR and Sony Starvis 2 technology. The built-in GPS module in the 70mai A810 enables precise tracking of your vehicle's speed, location, and route, which can be crucial for insurance claims and roadside assistance. Equipped with advanced AI motion detection, the A810 offers 24-hour parking surveillance, automatically recording any suspicious activity around your vehicle to help prevent break-ins and hit-and-runs. Supporting micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes, the 70mai A810 ensures ample storage for your recordings, while its time-lapse and seamless loop recording features optimize memory usage.